Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wix premium plan. Upgrading to premium unlocks professional features like removing Wix ads, connecting a custom domain, and accessing advanced business tools that can really elevate your website's credibility and functionality. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, take a moment to double-check that this is the specific website and account you want to purchase premium for. This is crucial because the premium subscription ties to only one website at a time. You don't want to accidentally upgrade the wrong site, so make sure you're looking at the correct project. If you have multiple websites under your account, verify you've selected the right one before proceeding. Once you've confirmed this is the correct website, look up at the top menu of your dashboard. You'll see an upgrade button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that button. This is your gateway to exploring all the premium options Wix has to offer. A new window will appear presenting you with Wix's premium subscription options. Here you can choose from 4 different types of premium subscriptions: Business Elite, Business Core, and Lite Plan. Each of these plans is designed for different needs and budgets, ranging from basic features to more comprehensive business solutions. Take your time reviewing what each plan includes, as they vary quite a bit in terms of storage, bandwidth, and advanced features. If you're having a hard time deciding which plan is right for you, scroll down to the bottom of the window and click on Compare Plan Features. This will open up a comprehensive comparison chart showing the differences between each plan side by side. This detailed breakdown helps you understand exactly what you're getting with each tier based on your specific business needs, whether you're running a simple portfolio site or a full e-commerce store. Once you've made your decision, click on Select under the plan you wish to use. After selecting your preferred plan, you'll be presented with plan cycles ranging from 3 years down to monthly billing. Take note that some of these plans offer significant discounts on longer subscription periods, so if you're committed to using Wix long-term, you might save quite a bit by choosing an annual or multi-year option. Select the billing cycle that works best for your budget and timeline. After you've chosen your billing cycle, click on Continue to Checkout. You'll now see fields where you need to fill in your payment method and invoice details. Enter your credit card information or select your preferred payment option, then complete the required billing information fields. Make sure all your details are accurate before finalizing the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully purchased your Wix premium plan and your website is now upgraded with all the professional features you selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.